Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Tammy and I'm here with a pull-up doll that you probably haven't seen a pull-up doll on my channel for quite some time. I did take kind of a pull-up break, I have to admit. This is Taffy. She is a release from 2016 and believe it or not, she's not the most popular pull-up doll for whatever reason. But I have liked her ever since she came out. She's got a bohemian vibe that really speaks to me. And like I said, I took a bit of a pull-up break because I was really focusing on my Blythe dolls for a while, which I still adore. But I have built up a pretty decent Blythe collection. And, you know, I'm just exploring other dolls. And yeah, I decided to go ahead and purchase some more pull-ups and sort of expand that part of my collection, and she was definitely on my list. So I'm going to get her out of this box and be back to show you all her goodies that she comes with. So I have Taffy out of the box, and she's wearing some of her stock. Here's the rest of her stock that she came with her. We'll take a quick look at the stand. I guess it's sort of a bronze color. It's pretty. I like it. It's going to look good with her. I like it. It's kind of going to blend in with her colors and not stand out a whole lot. Let me go ahead and just talk about the taco hat. Angela, another YouTuber, calls this a taco hat, and she's right. It is a ridiculous hat. It's not big enough in the center. This should be deeper because it doesn't really fit on her head. And it doesn't, it's just kind of, I don't know. Maybe there's a way to get it so it would look cute on her, but she has another hair ornament, so that's what I plan to put on her, is this hair ornament. I think this is going to look cuter. It won't cover up her face. She has a really cute face, and my only thing with this is it's a little fiddly because of the way it's structured here, so you have to be careful that you have it. I had to kind of untangle it when I got it out of the box, and I'm not super keen on feathers, but I will say back in the day I did wear feathers in my hair, so if we're going for the bohemian look, especially maybe circa 1970s, that kind of fits with the theme of the doll. Alright, so the other little we'll look at the other small accessories that came with her. Of course, her card. Very cute. So that hat looks okay on her. In fact, they have both on. They have both of her hair ornament on, her hair ornament and the hat. I don't know. I'm not buying it. Then we have the super duper cute purse. It's a clutch, and it does have a little snap so it opens. Come on, girl. I'm wearing my nail polish there, but yeah, you can open it up. I'm going to try to see if I can display her with this clutch, but I'm concerned it's a little small, and I'm going to have to tuck it under her arm, I guess. It would have been nice if it was something more like a hobo bag or something with a strap on it, but we'll see what we can do with that. She's got these super cute little cowboy boots. These are adorable. I'm not sure if a bohemian chick would wear these, but maybe they would. For me, I'm from the South, so we would wear sandals, but maybe if she lives out west, she would wear these. I don't know. But they are super cute, and they fit on her feet really well. And they don't fall off. And they're not like super high, so she's probably going to stand okay once I put her in her stand. So I really like those. All right, let's take a look at her stock that's actually on the doll. She has this beaded necklace, and it's got a little clasp, a little tiny lobster claw clasp, so it'd be easy to take off. And she has this dress with a big monster slit up the middle. Again, some people are not keen on this. It doesn't bother me that much. She's going to be standing up in my curio, so I don't think the slit's going to be super noticeable. It is a little odd. I will give you that. If you're going to have a slit, you think you'd have it on the side. But let's see. Let's take a look at her undies. Lace undies, so that's nice. Okay. And then speaking of lace, she has this really pretty lace overcoat that goes over the dress. It reminds me a lot of the lace that is on the cape for Romantic Alice. It kind of has that little bit, that look. And then they've added the detail of the kind of fringy bits down here. It's got a little belt, just a piece of suede that's been wrapped around, but I think it looks good. It just gives a little bit of a definition to her figure. To play around with that when I put her on the stand. But yes, I like the dress. I like the stock. Now, as far as the doll goes, her hair it's soft in the middle, and the ends are dry, which is not unusual for these wigs. And of course, you know, pull-up wigs can vary in quality from doll to doll, so just keep that in mind. She does have, you can see a little bit of the wig cap, but not too much, so I'm happy with the wig. Like I said, it's very soft at the top. She has these really cute eyebrows and a beautiful face-up. Very subtle, just a little bit of blushing there, little peach on her lips, little bits of under eyelid work there. And her eyelids are peach. Oh, get your hair out of the way. Her eyelids are peach, so I like that. I don't ever display them with their eyes closed, but I have to say I like the fact that if Pull-Up adds the colored eyelids, that's something I look for when I'm deciding on a doll. I think that shows a little bit of extra work on their part as far as making a finished doll. So if there's no, I'm usually pretty bummed out if there's no color on the eyelids. All right, so I'm going to next put her on her stand. This hat keeps go away. All right, so I'm going to put her on her stand and get her all set up with her little clutch bag and the hair ornament and fix the necklace and all that good stuff. But yes, I'm super happy with her. She is so cute. All right, let's put her on the stand and see what she looks like. So here's Taffy with all of her stock. She's on her stand. I've got her card here. I've got the crazy hat. It did take some effort also to get that little headband on her head, but she's super cute. I also have her holding her purse right here. Yeah, right there, if you can see that. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep that with her as part of the display or not. It's awfully small, and I could see losing it. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I have her displayed with her purse like that? There's no handle or anything on it. It's a clutch. So I guess I will for now. I'm not sure. If I don't put it with her, then I'm not sure where I would put it. I have a little collection of accessories, but yeah, not sure where I would put that. But she's holding it right now, and I think she looks super adorable. I'm very glad I finally purchased her, and she is going to look great with my other pull-ups in my curio. So let me know what you think about Taffy in the comments below. Have a wonderful Dolly Day as usual. I would appreciate a thumbs up and subscription. Bye-bye.